Today I will talk about how can you enable withdrawals notifications on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on deposit and withdrawals. You come here to withdrawals, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here withdrawals notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.